Easter basket. Whoa, look what's in there. Look what the Easter Bunny left for you.
What are you going to get? Very good. Go put that in your basket.
They're everywhere.
Go get those. Put them in your basket.
You should put them in your basket, buddy.
Okay, Daddy will go with your basket so you can focus on eggs.
Any more? Can you find any more? I know the Easter Bunny left them everywhere.
Oh, those are hard. Can you reach? Reach. Whoops. Easter Bunny has long arms.
Easter Bunny has very long arms. Taste test.
You are doing such a great job, honey.
Oh, you found that one very good. Look at all those Easter eggs you're finding.
There's more. Did the Easter Bunny hide them in your barbecue grill?
No.
Oh my God, there's more. Reach. He's shaking them. Reach.
Yeah, that Easter Bunny gets into tough spots, huh?
Yeah. Oh, Roxy wants to
help.
see, huh? She's a big helper.
Look at that one.
Oh,
good find. Are
Yeah.
there any more? Let's go see if there's any more.
Let's go look around the house. There you go. Oh my. And in Mommy and Daddy's room.
There's a
More.
couple more, huh?
Wow.
Any more over there? Good find. Is there another one right there?
That's not a car, that's an Easter egg. It's a little chick.
None.
Yeah.
Bye.
Did you get them all?
I think there's a couple more. Where could they be?
No.
Oh, there.
That's it. I think you found all the Easter eggs that the Easter Bunny hid. Good job, Riker.
Show me.